When you first log in, this is the screen that you will see. If you click on your classes and then find My Class and go to the home page, in the class content, you will see course materials. If you click on the launch button, it will open the course materials that are available in the class. Right here, I have the recordings and PDFs of all of my lessons. Usually I only have the Mondays lessons and recordings right here available. But yesterday Monday was a holiday, and so yesterday I only did Unit 3, Lesson 3 because of writing week. So today I went ahead and did Unit 3, Lesson 4 in the recording. But they're all here, even the Unit 2 tests, Part 1 and Part 2. So all of the lessons, if you need to go back and redo a quiz or watch a recording, retake something, work on something because you were absent, or you missed it, so you want to redo it, it's all right here. It will literally open into a PDF, so you can scroll down and there's all of the definitions. You know how I like my definitions, and all of the work, so that you can see it. It's available there for you. So if you have any questions, please email me and let me know.